This is the newest high-speed horizontal machining center from EDA Precision Machinery. And as you can see from the European-style design, this machine really is something quite special. This horizontal machining center is a twin pallet design, houses some very special features, and is specially suited to the high-speed machining of aluminium and copper. The structure of this machine is designed to ensure that all components are of the utmost rigidity, making sure that the accuracy of the machine is never an issue. The MH500 uses the best alloy in the world, mehanite, for the frame. This single-piece premium quality cast base and saddle provides durability and maximum structural rigidity to maintain the overall accuracy of the machine. The high accuracy 10 to 12,000 RPM belt drive spindle and bearing on this machine provide a very high torque, rigidity and precision. For even more speed, a 15,000 RPM direct drive spindle can also be provided. This high torque and precision ensure that cutting precision and performance is highly efficient and accurate. This precision is enhanced by the through spindle coolant system, which ensures that whichever spindle you choose, they will be thermally stabilized at all times. The extremely rigid mobile column on this machine, coupled with the high-quality linear guideways, ensure maximum stability and cutting accuracy, with a very high potential traverse rate on the X, Y and Z axes. The rugged, high-speed linear guideways on this machine, on the X, Y and Z axes, are oversized to provide a very rapid, stable and accurate traverse movement, up to 48 meters a minute, maintaining precision at all times. Additionally, a chip auger system under the guideways is installed as standard on all machines. Of course, an automatic tool changer comes as standard with this machine. The STD40 model is the standard option, with the STD60 as an optional extra. The pallet indexing is one area in which the MH500 surpasses its competitors. This machine offers pallet indexing down to 1/1000th of a degree for the ultimate in pallet precision. The APC twin pallet system is manually indexed for loading and unloading, making it an ideal choice for automatic machining operations. Custom parts can be provided for all machines to make sure that this machine fits perfectly into your existing production environment. One very popular option is the clamping device for the loading and unloading of pallets, which negates the need for customers to tailor-fit their own robotic devices to perform this function. The quality control in EDA is very thorough, and they use both laser calibration and ball bars to ensure that the setup of each machine is perfect. In addition to the thorough quality control, each machine is run in for a minimum of 72 hours to ensure that there are no teething issues with these machines. So, this high-speed horizontal machining center from EDA provides customers with a very versatile, high-speed, high-precision option to meet all of your automated machining requirements.